Hi, this is Matt from the AMS Service Desk. I'm going to show you a trick in Excel for working with words or text and combining that text together. This is a quick way to modify people's names and just work with letters in Excel. An example of where this is useful is if someone gives you a list of first names and last names and you want to turn it into a full name, or if you'd like to turn it into an email address. To do this, you'll be using a formula called concatenate. If you hit equals and type concatenate with an open parens, it'll ask you what you want for the first text, and I'll click A1. And then as you can see in the formula, you'll need to place a comma and then include your second text. In this case, both of these fields don't have any spaces in them, so we're going to add a space here. I'm going to put in a quote, and then a space, and a quote, and then another comma, followed by B1, the third piece of text that we'd like to combine. When we close parens and hit enter, you'll see it combines both my first name and my last name, including a space in the middle. To do this for the rest of the people on this list, I'm just going to select the usual drag down box and fill down. And you'll see it populates that for everyone's name. Obviously, you've put 2 and 2 together at this point. To do this and include email addresses, you could just do another concatenate, say A1, comma, quote, period, quote, comma, B1, comma, quote, at ammd.com, end quote, end parens, hit enter, and there's my email address. And again, to do this for all the rest of the people on the list, simply drag down the key again. In another example, I show you how to fix things like Mr. Scott Peterson. If you don't want to include the Mr., for instance, if that doesn't work well for your email address, I show you how to fix that. And then I'll show you also how to remove suffixes to names as well. Look for that and other tips and training on the SharePoint training website.